Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my Mio planner. It is a layout from a happy planner and we are doing it for the week of March 28th through April 3rd. I am going to be using this tiny little sticker book and whatever I have left over from it called This Is Us. This was a collaboration for respect and diversity, uniqueness and love, and this particular one is by Indie Ivy Ink. It's really lovely. I really like the black and white in it, so I am going to be using whatever I have left over of this because this is only a 5-page book that I've already used quite a bit. So I'm going to be pulling stickers out of this and using it. It is very black and white and neutral, which I really like, so I hope you guys do too. I pulled out some other sticker books, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be using them. But first I'm doing these little tiny checklists and we'll see how that goes. Actually, I think I'm going to put them on the bottom. And while I do this, I wanted to welcome you to my channel. If you are here for the first time, I really hope you will like it here. And if you are coming back to spend some more time with me, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. And let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do these little tiny checklists on the bottom, and this is where I track stuff like my calories, my sleep, mood, medicine, like supplements that I take and medicine that I take. So all of that gets tracked below here. So it's kind of a lot of fun to do this. And I'm just using a tiny one with 3 little dots, but I can always write on the remainder of the lines. So that's where I'm headed. So there we go. I'm gonna add another little box that's a tracker right up here. I think that's going to bring in that black into the spread a little bit. Important reminder, I really like quotes in my planner as well. They motivate me. So that's kind of where I'm headed with this. I'm going to be doing lots of cool quotes, and I found some beautiful washi strips. I'm going to go ahead and add that. Look how pretty that is, right? It kind of adds something different to this planner, so I'm just adding it to the bottom. And then I have another one that's not scalloped, but also beautiful, and I'm going to add it to this side and also cut it just a tiny bit. And there we go. It's super straight and nice, and that's how I like it. Okay. I'm going to put this huge quote by my Monday. Something really motivational. I'm going to move this sticker just a bit so I can fit this across. And I want it as straight as possible, so give me 1 second. I'm turning this planner 50 different ways. Listen to yourself, listen to your wife's wise self. So kind of that's where that washi is heading. And you know, sometimes you just know when your gut tells you something, listen, because it gets you. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding some quotes and some stickers. I really enjoy filling these little gaps, and often days, if you guys watch my After the Pen, I don't snack, so I actually do have quite a bit of room to be able to persist with filling this in and kind of decorating it. So there we go, 2 little gold things. I like adding little plants and stuff like this to my planner, especially when they look kind of fun and unique like this. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna add this little girl somewhere, probably either Sunday or Saturday for breakfast, since we usually do brunch instead. Look how pretty. I really like how this is turning out, so I'm gonna continue adding stickers until it looks exactly like I wanted. So there's another gold sticker that I want to add to bring in that gold a little bit more. Okay, and I am just pulling some tiny little things to include in my planner, so hang tight. I will be putting it on my planner itself in just 1 second. And while I am pulling those out, I wanted to check in with everybody. How are you doing? Is there anything you are currently celebrating? Or is there any struggles in your life that you just need a little push? You guys can always come talk to me. I am not a professional or a coach, but I am always here to lend a listening ear. So, there. No, it's the same girl. I can't use it. Oh. I'm gonna add this little check mark right there. I'm just gonna add a gold box right here with a little bow. Look how cute these bows are. Oh my gosh. And then another one, just a little box. I'll add some boxes so I can write stuff in. I'll add some habit trackers for myself, which is always good. And then I'm going to play with spreading some bows into my spread because that's just so much fun. Look how pretty. Cute, right? I thought so. Okay, some of these are doubles, so I'm gonna go ahead and take scissors and separate my Siamese twins, right? Because why not? Okay, look how pretty. I just love these, they're fun. We need just a couple more and we will be very close to finishing the spread. I think this neutral vibe really works. I really like these girls, like I said. Something a little bit different. This week, most of my planners were very colorful, so I am stepping back a little, doing some black and white spreads. I'm looking to see if there's any stickers that I want to include from that book, but maybe not necessarily. I'm gonna add a little bow right there, one right here. I kind of laugh every time I try on my stickers like this because it's truly like trying on clothes. You're trying to figure out what you're going to look good in and feel comfortable in. Well, same thing with my little bows. I just kind of fly around the page and see where it would be the best position to put it. Okay, don't look back. This was a very fun spread to create, but I am practically done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys had fun. I definitely had fun with this. So if you did too, don't forget to click that like button. And if you're already not subscribed, please do so. I would really appreciate it. and I will see you very, very soon for another plan with me. And I'm just very thankful for you spending the time with me and being here. So let me pop this back in the planner, and you guys have a great day, and if I don't see you for a bit, have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye.